Well, hello everybody again here. This is the frame as it is right now. A lot of welding. I've got the door opening there. I've got one cross piece here under the floor. And today I got these are my body mounts right here. So I have got 7 of these body mounts on there. What they're going to do is allow me to use a carriage bolt through the floor of the trailer and then through the hole and cinch it down with a nut. That's going to be pretty important because over the term of the old frame being in there, the floor is a little bit warped. It's got sag. So by tightening it down in along my 4 points right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I will be able to squeeze the floor down nice and flat again. Up at the front here, there's your propane tank tray, and in front of that will be a battery tray. This jack isn't going to be the one that stays on here. I was just looking at the height of it and stuff like that. There will be the other jack on the side over here, the one that folds up flat, because there's really the trailer's pretty low to the ground. I think that would hit. So, and plus it's missing its foot, but whatever. I mean, yeah. So here we go. This frame, I'm pretty close to having it. Flipping it over and installing the axles on it now. Once that's done, then I can start painting it. Also, my rear bumper here is very nice, and it's just plugged into the back here. Okay, and it'll have a bolt. There'll be a hole here and a bolt that holds it in place. And I still haven't put the spare tire carrier on there too, so I got to do that yet. Anyways, yeah, so that's the way we're going.